So we're going to get the plumbing done here. A couple things to remember. So the threads on this do need some contact on metal in order for the ground to work. So we're only going to want to do Teflon about halfway back on the threads. So it'll be enough to seal and prevent any leaks, but we'll still have the electrical contact we need for the ground to function. Alright, going over the plumbing real quick. You can see it's coming out on the driver's side of the auxiliary radiator. Makes a 90. This is the one with the thermostat in it. Heads over to the main radiator. And then from the engine, comes out of the engine, comes across above the previous connection, and it's going to head over and into the passenger side of the auxiliary radiator. As you can see, it's pretty tight, but everything fits. Alright, so for the degas plumbing, you'll see we have that fitting coming out of the radiator. By the way, that fitting's a lot easier to install before you put the radiator in place. You're going to route that hose up through between the radiator and intercooler and the core support, up and around through there, and then you'll see it comes up underneath here, and you're going to use that T provided with the kit to tie into your degas line that goes into your expansion tank and to your radiator. Okay, for the electrical, for your switch relay, we used a piggyback, and we found right here one that turns on with the ignition, and that is what powers the relay for the fan right there. And then for constant power, if you lift this up, right inside here is a post that you can connect your yellow wire to, and that will provide your constant power to your relay. Alright, as you can see, we ran the hot wire and switch wire for the thermostat down from above the wheel well, coming across over the frame. The gray wire is the one for your thermostat to the switch, and the hot wire goes to the connection for the fan. And then you're going to have your black ground wire from the fan, and then your ground wire from your thermostat tube, and they're going to come back over here and attach to the ground strap.